If you're having issues with the keyboard on your iPhone, here's how you can reset it. Add a temporary keyboard. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Use the search bar and type keyboard. Tap keyboard from the search results. On the next screen, tap Keyboards. Select Add New Keyboard. Choose a keyboard that's different from your current one. For example, if you use English, US, add English, UK. Once it's added, remove your current keyboard. Also delete the emoji keyboard temporarily. We'll add both of them back in the next step. Reset the keyboard dictionary. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and click on General. Scroll and look for the option to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on it. Tap Reset. Choose Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Tap Reset Dictionary to confirm. Your custom keyboard dictionary will be reset. This removes learned words, autocorrect history, and keyboard suggestions. Add your original keyboard back. Open the Settings app. Use the search bar and type keyboard. Tap keyboard from the search results. On the next screen, tap Keyboards. Select Add New Keyboard. Add back your preferred keyboard, such as English, US. Also add the emoji keyboard. Once they're added, remove the temporary keyboard you created earlier, and that's it. Your iPhone keyboard has now been successfully reset.